Hello, my name is Nurul Ain binti Zakaria. My matrix number is F51028. I will talk about impact diode, IV characteristic and working principle. First of all, let's see what is impact diode. The impact diode is an aberration used for impact ionization and valence transit time. Impact diode also is an RF semiconductor device that is used for generating microwave radio frequency signals. The impact diode technology is able to generate signals typically from 3 to 100 GHz or more. So next, we'll talk about construction of impact diode. As you can see from this diagram, impact diode have 4 regions, which is P+, N, I, N+. The impact diode can be considered to consist of 2 areas, namely avalanche region or injection region, and secondly the drift region. Materials like gallium arsenide, silicon, and gallium are used for its concentration, but gallium arsenide is more preferred because of low noise behavior. These 2 areas provide different functions. The avalanche or injection region creates the carriers which may be either holes of electrons, but the drift region is where the carrier moves across the diode, taking a certain amount of time depending upon its thickness. IV characteristic of impact diode. The IV characteristic is similar to PN junction diode. As you can see, it conducts forward direction when the power is turned on, and the reverse direction is blocked current flow until the diode breakdown voltage is reached. At this point, avalanche breakdown occurs and current flow in reverse direction. Let me talk about avalanche breakdown. What the meaning of avalanche breakdown? Avalanche breakdown is an action that causes an abrupt increase in the junction current in reverse bias condition of PN junction diode, leading to junction breakdown. Working principle of impact diode. The reverse bias condition, the width of the dissipation region becomes extremely thick, due to which one minority carrier drifts across the junction. In the presence of a high electric field, the mobile charge carrier moves with greater velocity. During their movement, the high velocity carriers collide with other atoms in the crystal and generate electron-hole pair. This causes multiplication of charge carriers inside the crystal structure. Thus, the moving charge generates high current inside the device. This is known as avalanche condition or impact ionization, and is utilized in impact diode. The increase in P plus region, the increased superimposed AC field and DC potential cause the electron in the P plus region to get injected into the I region in order to drift towards N plus region. So, I think you can imagine how the electron move around based on this picture. This shows a phase shift of 19 degrees now gets generated between the AC input signal and concentration of charge carried in the avalanche region. Thus, by drifting from avalanche region to anode, the electron generates high current with a phase opposite to that of the applied AC signal. During the negative half of the AC signal, Even the DC potential is high, still the reduction in the overall electric field will cause decay in the concentration of carriers present in the avalanche region. Thus, the current flowing through it also gets reduced. You can refer from the graph in this slide. The negative resistance will change because of the transit angle. Application of impact diode. Impact diodes are used in a number of applications where a compact, cost-effective means of generating microwave power is required. There are several applications for which impact diode technology is applicable. First, intruder alarms. Second, basic form of radar. 3. General detector using RF technology. 4. Microwave oscillator. 5. Parametric amplifiers. 6. Microwave generator. And lastly, telecommunication transmitter. Advantage of impact diode. It provides high operating range. It shows compacted in size. Impact diodes are economical. It provides reliable operation at high temperature. The advantage of impact diode, the rate of generation of electron-hole pair in the avalanche region causes the generation of high noise, thus make the system noise. It offers a low tuning range. Thank you. That's all from me.